So hello everyone, my name is Sanil Nayak and welcome to another episode of Feature Friday. Today we are going to discuss about AI LLM, and here my colleague, he will be giving brief description about the feature. Yeah, so can you introduce yourself and the like role of
Yes, so
your
hello, myself Prayas Sen. I am a part of Sparrow AI team. So basically, I work on the AI part on developing Sparrow AI chatbot and other AI features.
Thank you, Prayas. So, the feature you have worked on, can you give a quick overview about the project?
Yeah, so we are talking about the feature called AI request. So it lets user to compare different AI models. So like Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, and DeepSeek. So we are giving user facility so that user can compare the different model by adjusting their parameters, user prompt, max tokens, and other various parameters. User can adjust and test the output of the model, like how the model is responding to that particular parameter.
Okay, great. So, the AI LLM, users facing some problem. What is the problem that this feature is like resolving?
Yeah, so the major problem that user faces, like user has to go various, we can say like user have to go to OpenAI once, then check the LLM behavior. Then user have to go to DeepSeek. User have to go to Open Gemini and that Anthropic. So we are providing facility where user can come with their API keys. User can just enter their API key and user can test the LLM responses. Like we are providing a proper platform where user can test all 4 LLMs at one place only.
Okay. So, Prayas, while working on this feature, what was the one thing you have learned or like improvements on your process?
I really enjoyed seeing how AI can be used for like make the development easier. Like we have seen the GitHub Copilot feature, Cursor AI feature, like how they are making the development easier. So in that way only we are providing this feature to make the development easier.
Hmm. So this is the phase one.
Yeah.
So are there any improvements or iteration plan for this?
Definitely. So in the upcoming phases, we are providing user the feature to upload their PDF documents and also the generate prompt feature and various other AI features we are providing in the upcoming phases.
Okay. So thank you, Prayas. So thank you, everyone. This was all about AI LLM. Or if you face any like you want to give suggestions, you can comment down below. And yeah, thank you.